Namaste dear children, I am Rekha. Welcome to my channel Rekha's Knowledge Hub. Today we will see NCERT Class 7 Science Chapter 1 The Ever Evolving World of Science Short Answer Questions and Answers. Children, I have already uploaded the videos of chapter explanation and multiple choice questions. Those who have not watched, please go through it. What kind of things does the world of science cover? The world of science covers everything, small and large, near and far. Next one, what simple thing inspired real scientific explorations of flight? A paper plane inspired real scientific explorations of flight. What is the broad scope of science? Science covers everything from the very tiny like cells to the very large like the sun and stars, and also everyday materials and natural phenomena. Describe the special feature mentioned about the book's page numbers. The page numbers are designed to follow the playful flight of a butterfly and the soaring of a paper plane, symbolizing how learning takes flight with curiosity. What will playing with electric batteries, lamps, and wires help us to do? It will help us find out what kind of materials are needed to make a lamp glow. This will lead to classifying materials as metals and non-metals based on their properties. What will we explore by observing things like a torch battery running out? We will explore different kinds of changes that happen around us. We will learn that some changes can be reversed while others cannot. What natural phenomena will be discussed in relation to how heat flows? We will look at how heat flows considering examples like an ice cube melting in a glass or the melting of a large glacier. How is water connected to the sun's heat and its movement? Water evaporates from the seas due to the sun's heat, falls as rain, and can then trickle into the ground even in faraway places. Besides changes in materials and water, what else is changing as we grow? Our bodies are changing rapidly, especially during middle school years due to essential life processes. Why are life processes important for animals and what are some examples? Life processes are essential for survival. Examples include eating, breathing, and blood circulating nutrients throughout the body. How did early humans measure time before electric clocks? Long before modern clocks, early humans used the shadows of objects in the sun and their positions to tell the time. What movements do we need to understand to grasp day, night, and eclipses? We need to understand how the earth rotates on its axis, how the moon orbits the earth, and how the earth orbits the sun. What fascinating phenomena are caused by the earth and moon casting shadows? The earth and the moon casting shadows lead to the fascinating phenomena of eclipses. Children, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.